If you own a welder or a plasma cutter, then you need to make sure you can move it around your shop. Here at Eastwood, we have a ton of different options, but today I want to talk about my personal favorite, the low profile welding cart. This cart is perfect for the person that's trying to save space in their garage. Because of its low profile design, it can easily fit under the workbench when you were using a 60 cubic foot tank or smaller. The top shelf of this unit can hold a MIG welder, a TIG welder, and even a plasma cutter. So that means if you're using Eastwood machines, this can hold up to a MIG 175, TIG 200, and VersaCut 60. This will even hold our elite welders, so it'll fit the MP 140i and the 200i. Even though this cart is a space saver, you can still fit up to an 80 cubic foot tank if you're going to be doing a ton of welding. The tanks are locked into place with a chain, so you never have to worry about accidents when rolling your welders around the shop. The bottom shelf is the perfect size for all of your consumables and PPE. I always keep extra gloves, clamps, consumables, and magnets under mine. The 2-inch front casters swivel for easy maneuverability, and the large 6-inch rear wheels means you won't be getting stuck every time you run over a zip tie. We built this cart with the user in mind, so the heavy-duty tube frame makes a strong and rigid cart that will hold up to 200 pounds. Like I said, this cart is perfect for the DIYer, maybe somebody who's not doing a ton of welding, or somebody who just has a small garage. For more information on this cart or any other welding cart we offer, click the link to visit eastwood.com.